If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Right, so we talked about the this wedge yesterday, and the wedge has been broken off. Is JASMY bottom in? Maybe it could be, right? It could be, the bottom could be in as well. Now the thing is that you have done what I wanted to see done for JASMY, and you're on a technical journey to perhaps move up to 6,000. So yesterday I gave you the update when we were down at 4,200, and now you're sitting at 4,700. You actually went up to 5,152, I guess. So that was actually an amazing price increase of nearly 22% for JASMY at the moment. We still have a little bit of room to move up to even 6,000, and Bitcoin is looking pretty amazing to me as well. And right now, so what I'm going to do is you have another break of a pattern. So you're making patterns within patterns, and the technical targets are now coming back. So we're pretty much going to do the following. So from the top to the bottom right here for JASMY, you can expect JASMY to actually not go to only 6,000, but you're looking for a price move to 7,544. Everything suddenly have flipped. Okay, so there's two targets in my opinion that are about to come, because patterns are destroyed. The downward patterns in here on the daily is being destroyed. Now the best thing about this is I want to see JASMY somehow come above 12302. If it can do that, then we're in to move really high. Now one thing, I'm just going to tell you the future. Okay, so when you came down like this and you broke this pattern right over here, I'm actually going to zoom there so that I can tell you very quickly what is on my mind. Okay, so if anyone remembers clearly, we went down like this and I told you about this resistance here. You broke that resistance, and I've given you a technical target. If you do that, you're gonna come back up to 6,000, right? You've done that. Now that you've broken out of 6,000, you can see that there's another level here that has formed, a key level that you've broken out of, and now you're moving up to where? You're moving up to 7,500. So the second, another pattern just formed up. Not only do you stop there, but understand, just like we had 1 and 2 patterns forming up back to back, you have a third one, and that is going to be this right over here. If you're going to break and come to 7,544, then you have this huge inverse head and shoulder right over here in the curve. Maybe come up for a cup and handle like this, or a rounded bottom. I don't know if that's the scenario that's going to play out, and you come to 7,544 and you back test a little bit the 6,000, and then look, you have a new technical target, and that actually takes you from the top here to the bottom right there, and you move all the way up to 12858, and that's what I want to see to destroy the downtrend completely. So basically you're not missing anything, right? It's not like you're missing the bottom. Maybe trade with a stop loss. Put a stop loss down in 4339, right? Write this thing to 6052. If you get lucky, you get lucky. So that's like 26% move up. That's a 58% move up. If you continue like this, that's going to be 175% move up as well. So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. Only traders are going to take advantage. The one who knows how to trade, don't take it as financial advice. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.